Hi, my name is Carla Ibarra and today I'm presenting Isaac Hernandez. Isaac Hernandez is a Mexican dancer born in Guadalajara on April 1990. He started to train ballet with his father, Héctor Hernandez, followed by Philadelphia's Rock School for Dance Education. He joined to San Francisco Ballet in 2008. He was promoted to solist in January 2011. Since he was a child at the age of 12, he won the gold medal and Grand Prix of the youngest American Grand Prix, that is the most important competition in the world of ballet. In 2012, he has the second soloist in the hit National Ballet. He has danced a variety of feature roles like Oberon in The Dream, Don Quixote, Romeo and Mercurio in Rudy, Solar in La Bayandera, etc. At the age of 25, he knows that he has been paired with Tamara Rojo, a spectacular dancer. She is his boss, but also his girlfriend. He is the first Mexican at the Opera of Paris, where he was received with standing ovation. The last year, he presented Despertares. This was a project that he decides to do, and it's about his life. In this presentation, he danced with his brother and Tamara Rojo. His brother is Esteban Hernandez, and he is the first Mexican and the only Mexican graduated with high honors from the Royal Ballet School of London. Some of his awards include the first place in Cuba International Competition in 2004, the bronze medal, and special award from Kyiv Ballet at Moscow International Ballet Competition in 2005, the Alexandra Radius Award of the most outstanding dancer, the gold medal at the United States International Ballet Competition in Jackson, Mississippi in 2006. I think that he has made one of the biggest dreams come true. Travel around the world doing what he likes and loves and enjoys the most. That is dancing. I really think that he's a lucky person and I admire him. Thank you. Yeah. No, this is some other pictures about, and here is him with his brother, and here is with Tamara Rojo, and here is the show of Despertares, and that's it. And this is the reference, and yeah, done.